Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Denise Hibachi Smith here, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and I would like to share with you something that I made last night. I got a bug and really wanted to make another Memory Dex card holder, and this is what I came up with. Very basic box, chipboard, and covered it with paper, got into my snow trim. I used some actual feet, and then this is, kind of scrappy, but I did use the Prima Magic Love collection for the Memory Dex card box, and then I had scrappy leftovers, and this was from a swap, and I believe I got it from Kay, but thank you so much, Kay. Thank you, ladies, for swapping with me. I love the group swaps and all the stuff that we get. So I made this fun rosette little cute little wand here. I thought it went really well with this. And then I raided my stash and found the Memory Dex card, and I started going through my scraps and swaps and came up with this Memory Dex card. And then it's got my information on the back. And so here's what the box looks like, using a lot of straws. I love, love, love how it came out. And I used corner protectors, and with this design here, I thought it looked really cute that they happened to kind of point in a bit. I love how it came out. Love, love, love it. And I just wanted to share with you how quick this can be achieved if you really want to make boxes and enjoy making boxes. It doesn't really take too much time at all to make a Memory Dex card holder. I love making them, so it doesn't take me much time at all. I just, when I get a bug and I want to make one, I do. So anyway, so here is this. This is from Diana M. Larson, when I got I purchased a kit from her for Valentine's, but I love it. Love, love, love it. Thank you so much for watching this quick share of this Memory Dex card holder, and thank you so much for watching. Love, love, love you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.